Welcome back to Cook It Simple with Eric. So I just made an amazing Italian tomato sauce with hamburger. You need to check out that video. But now we need to make pasta the simple way and the right way for that. So first thing, I've got my pot. It's filled up about that far from the top. Pasta likes the spaghetti, likes a lot of water to move around in. I'm just going to do up some gluten-free, just regular spaghetti noodles, because we have, as you know, gluten intolerant family members. So I always make it with this. You can make it with regular. Just read the directions on the back on how long to go. This one says 13 minutes. I'll go 13, and that'll still leave it just a little al dente, just a little thing too. But the first thing you want to do is have your full pot of water. Pasta loves salt. So you need to actually season the water the right way. See that? Looks like a lot, it's not a lot. We're going to put that in, and we're going to put a little more in. So you actually want your salty, or your water, salty like the Mediterranean is the term that I always hear. So basically, if you go into, you're swimming in salt water and you taste it in your mouth, you think, ooh, that's salty. That's what you want. That will make a huge difference in the flavor of your pasta or your spaghetti or whatever you want to call it. So let's get back to the oven, get the water boiling. Once it's boiled, we'll put the pasta in and go from there. Now that we have our water at a nice boil, we will go ahead and add our pasta. All right, best way to keep your pasta from sticking is just to kind of keep it moving until it comes back up to a boil. And I thought I had spaghetti noodles. Turns out I have fettuccine noodles. But that'll go great with the sauce that I have because it is thick. There we go, let it boil for 13 minutes. It has been 13 minutes. So now, we just need to drain. Some people save the pasta water, some people don't. I've never saved it. But if you want, go ahead. So there you go, perfect pasta. Every time. This is touched al dente. I've already tried it right before I pulled it out. So there you go. Perfect pasta every time. And there you have it. Perfect pasta every time. So the way I checked, I will show you this real quick, is you just take it, bite it. I can taste just a little firm, just right in the middle. It's exactly what we want. So go ahead and put this in. As you can see, like I said, this is fettuccine. Beautiful every time. If you're not going to put a sauce in it or whatever, you put a little olive oil. That'll keep it from sticking together. But this video is all about the pasta, so there it is. But we can't go without showing you what you can do with it. So, in a recent video, I just made this beautiful Italian tomato sauce. We're going to dump it in and we're going to mix it all together and we are going to give it a taste. Yeah, I'm going to get that out in a minute because we're not going to waste that. So this is just a nice, the sauce is amazing. You definitely have to watch the video on that. For the Italian red sauce, I added hamburger to it. But like I said, this video is all about the pasta. So let's throw some on a plate real quick. And I'm still going to get the rest of that in a minute. I would throw it in a pasta bowl, but I don't have one. But let's give this a taste. Ooh, getting all messy. Like I said, pasta the right way. Always make sure your water is well seasoned, very salty. Salty like the Mediterranean. Make sure you bring it all the way to a boil before you put your pasta in. Put your pasta in, stir it until the rolling boil comes back, and that'll prevent it from sticking together. Let it go for your desired amount of time. Try it, strain it, and it's ready for any sauce, any dish that you want. Let's try this real quick. Stuart wants some, but he's not getting any because it has too much onion and garlic in it. That pasta is perfectly al dente. And the sauce is amazing too. Make sure you watch this video. Please like and subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. Thank you for watching again. Cook it simple with Eric. Bye-bye.